How to find and add new friends on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, in my case, on top you can see the friends category. If you tap on it, you can find various people you may know and new people you would want to add on your Facebook account. Or else you can go back and then tap on the hamburger icon. From here, you can scroll down below and you can go to the category of Find Friends. From here, you can see various people you could add on your Facebook account. You can also tap on the search option and search for the name of a specific friend you wish to add on your account. Then you can also tap on the category of friend requests. From here, you can see people who have sent you friend requests so that you could add them on your account. Then again, you can tap on your friends. From here, you can see all the people you have added as friends on your Facebook account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.